Hello my beautiful people, how you all doing? My name is Liz, aka Liz Rachel, and I'm currently based in Athens, Greece. Today I'm going to try and make some healthy pancakes. They're very easy. All you need is oatmeal. I'm going to use 2 cups of oatmeal, 2 bananas, 1 cup of milk, and vanilla essence. I'm going to throw everything in the blender and then make my pancakes. If you want, you can try. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, tell a friend, and check them out at the end of the video. If you like, try them and tell me what you think. Oops, there goes my china. Oh, it's okay. It is well. That gives me a reason to go and do shopping. Yay! Now I'm going to add all my ingredients in my blender. I have 2 bananas, 2 eggs, 2 oatmeal flour, a cup of milk. But normally what I do, I don't add all the milk at once. I add half and then whisk. If I see that I still need more, I'll add the rest. Because guys, it's very important that you get the right texture. The right texture will determine the outcome of your pancakes. These are healthy pancakes. They are loaded with vitamins. They are high in fiber, high in protein. If you are trying to lose weight, these are absolutely fantastic for you. Try them and you thank me later. They are also good for people who are trying to maintain their weight. They'll keep you full for many hours. My lovelies, don't forget to add your vanilla essence. It will give your pancakes a nice aroma and nice taste as well. Blend everything together until smooth. My mixer is ready. I've already preheat my pan. It's ready. I'm just going to glaze it a little bit with olive oil. And I'm lucky that I have this pancake pan. It makes my life easier. But if you don't have, you can still use a normal pan and your pancake will still come out the same. This is how your texture should look like. Not runny, not too thick either. I'm not a chef, guys. I'm just somebody who loves to cook, enjoys food, creative cooking, beautiful food. That's it. Give them 5 to 8 minutes until they are golden brown and then turn them over. Another 5 to 8 minutes to the other side until they are golden brown outside and fluffy in the middle. That it is, guys. They are so simple and easy. There you go. Now I'm going to make myself a cup of tea, my favorite cup of tea. This is very, very tasty. It's cinnamon and apple. Yummy. I'm also going to add almond milk. I don't take sugar in my tea, and that is it. Cheers, my lovelies. Kaleorexi to me. Bon appetit. I've served my pancakes with strawberries and raspberry, drizzled with honey on top. Oh my God, the taste. Yummy, yummy. They are so tender, golden from the outside and fluffy inside. Oh my God, all the goodness in one plate. If you are a healthy eater like me, this dish is loaded with fiber and proteins. Cheers guys, Kaleorexi. Oh my goodness. Tea yangu iri kunaka guys. Manakire airi kuita so, oh my God. Ndiri kuita kuisvuta chaiko. Kusvuta gadzike yangu ine mukaka. That is it for me guys. As you can see, my plate is clean. I am full. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe, tell a friend. Thank you so much. If you are going to try them, please come back and tell me what you think. Bye bye. Oh, wait a minute guys, I nearly forgot. What I'm wearing today is a Liz Rachel dress. It's a polka dot dress, long dress with side pockets. It's absolutely gorgeous.